I just came in from playing some fun beach ball games with my family outside on this hot, humid day in South Carolina. And even though we are now drenched in sweat, we had so much fun, as you'll see coming up. I hope this video serves as a good resource for you when you are planning some fun games and you have some beach balls laying around. I'm ShawnMHowell. Welcome to my channel. I'm a mom of two and I love creating fun new games for you to have fun with your friends and family. Let's get into today's video. Here we go. This first game is beach ball soccer. This, I think, was the most fun of all the games that my husband and my daughter and I played today. As you can see, there was tons of laughter, and even one point I forgot to turn on the camera, so you missed a lot of my awesome, silly moves. Okay, my husband also had some great moves as well, and my daughter, we had so much fun just trying to kick that ball into the goal. Yes, that's a laundry basket. Use what you have around your house. And we switched off who played goalie. Sometimes it was my husband, sometimes it was myself. So this is a fun game to play with just 3 people or a ton of people. You could even set up 2 goals if you have a lot of players. A simple game to play with a lot of players is the over-under. You've probably seen this one in my Halloween Thanksgiving videos where we passed a pumpkin around, but you can do this with a beach ball as well. And of course, it works much better than with just 3 people. You need 10 plus people to really have fun passing the beach ball over your head, under your legs, over your head, under your legs. Set up 2 or more teams and have teams compete who can race the beach ball down the line of teammates. Clap it. You've probably seen this beach ball game in my summer beach games video. I will link it in the description box down below. We had so much fun with this today, tossing the beach ball up in the air and seeing how many times you can clap before you have to catch it again. Dodgeball is a classic game. You are going to just dodge, try to get away from the ball. This game again works better with more than just 3 players, but I'm just showing you how it works here with my family. But one person will toss the ball and try to hit players with the beach ball. Yes, a beach ball hurts less than your traditional playground ball, so that is also a bonus. Let's talk about some relay races using the beach ball. Okay, so pair up players into teams of 2 and do these relay races. You can have teammates hold the ball between their backs. You can have teammates hold the ball between their heads. You can have teammates hold the ball between their knees and race around a cone. Beach towel volleyball. This game works great if you have a volleyball net and lots of players, an even number and 2 teams. So instead of just hitting a volleyball over the net, you're gonna use a beach ball and every 2 people will have a beach towel. And players have to scoop that beach ball up, catch it in their net, and toss it back over the volleyball net using just their towels. Here you can see my family and I demonstrating how you toss a ball up and down and how much fun it is using a beach towel. If you don't have a volleyball net, no worries. You can partner up all of your players, give everybody a towel and a beach ball, and just have fun tossing it up in the air. As you can see, my daughter, my 3-year-old, she absolutely loved this simple game. This last game is a sit-down game. Have all of your players sit down in a circle in chairs or on the floor, and before you play, you're going to need to write a lot of dares onto the outside of a beach ball. I like using a Sharpie, and it could be silly dares, just some silly stuff to do. And as people toss the ball around, wherever your thumb lands on the beach ball, then you have to get up and do that dare. This is great to use as an icebreaker or a get to know you game, and you can make the dares as silly or as serious and daring as you'd like. Subscribe to my channel because I post fun ideas twice a week. I had so much fun hanging out with you today. I will see you in my next video. Thanks for watching. Bye. Oh, no ball. I got it. Okay. And you have to catch it. Ready? Go. I think I will win.
You're doing good.
Keep it together.
It's like the worst 3-legged race ever. It's hard. I caught it. I don't know how many. I don't know.
I got 6. We'll do it again.
Good grief. I think I got 3
Ready?
or 4.
Go.
Ah, I
We
missed
got
it.
5. Get set. Go. my arm. I was holding with my arm.
Keep going, keep going.
Fancy moves again. Fancy moves.
You weren't ready.